Chapter 3. How do you trade daily leverage certificates? This chapter is meant to help you learn how to trade daily leverage certificates. Daily leverage certificates are listed and traded on the Singapore Stock Exchange, SGX, in a similar way to shares. You can buy or sell daily leverage certificates at any time during SGX opening hours, through your broker or online trading account. Daily leverage certificates are classified as specified investment products, SIPs. You may check with your broker or trading representative on eligibility status before investing. Like a share, you buy at the ask price and sell at the bid price. There will be a difference between the two prices, and this is known as the bid-ask spread. The smaller the spread, the better. When you trade intraday, which means buy and sell the daily leverage certificates on the same trading day, the costs and fees mainly consist of the brokerage fee, trading fees, and the bid-ask spread from trading, which are typically the same as trading stocks on the exchange. However, if you hold the daily leverage certificate overnight, you will need to bear the leverage and hedging costs and fees, such as the funding cost, rebalancing cost, the gap premium, and the management fee, which are calculated daily and applied to the value of their certificates. The funding cost is the annualized cost of funding, referencing a publicly published interbank offered rate plus spread. The rebalancing cost is the transaction cost computed as a function of leverage and daily performance of the index. The gap premium is a hedging cost against extreme market movements overnight, and the management fee is the cost of maintaining the daily leverage certificate. The costs and fees will be deducted from the value of daily leverage certificate after market close and before market open on the next day. It will be reflected in the performance each day of the daily leverage certificate. For example, if the overnight cost and fees in total was 0.05% on the value of the DLCs, when the underlying index rises 1% the following day, the 5 times DLC will rise by 4.95% from previous day close, slightly below 5%. Costs and fees are transparent and can be computed with published data using the formula. Details can be found in the relevant listing documents or SG's DLC website, dlc.socgen.com. Furthermore, because the performance of daily leverage certificates is based on a fixed leverage performance of the underlying asset on a daily basis, investors need to be aware of the compounding effect on the performance of daily leverage certificates if holding for more than one trading day. Compounding effects may work for or against you depending on different market scenarios. If you hold a daily leverage certificate for a period of longer than one day, the performance will deviate away from the fixed leverage level defined for each product. Please refer to a separate video for more details on compounding effect. Daily leverage certificates are listed in the same instrument group as warrants. The naming convention of daily leverage certificates includes various key information. The first 3 alphabets is an unique identifier of DLC, followed by the initials of the issuer. Next to it is the leverage factor, 3x for 3 times, 5x for 5 times. Next is the type of the daily leverage certificate, long or short. Then it is the name of the underlying index. The last 6 numbers are the expiry date in the form of year, month, and date. DLCs have a limited life, so please refer to the expiry date for each product. At expiry date, the final cash settlement amount of the DLC is calculated and, if positive, automatically paid to investors. If cash settlement amount is 0 or negative, then no money will be paid to investors. All information on the costs and fees, pricing of the daily leverage certificates, and the data of the historical daily closing level of the underlying asset and the intrinsic value of the daily leverage certificates are available on the website, dlc.socgen.com. You will find a pricing simulator on the DLC website that enables you to view the outcome of DLC pricing under different underlying index scenarios. Check it out from dlc.socgen.com today. Please refer to the base listing document and the relevant supplemental listing document for more information at dlc.socgen.com.